This is Northern Shop iChannel. We are here at Lucas Moripe Stadium. Mamelodi Sundowns has just lost to Orlando Pirates on penalties. My brother, how's it?
Sure. Inter.
Okay, sharp man. How do you feel like Mamelodi Sundowns has just lost to Orlando Pirates on penalties?
Wa wana ka khatos. Ne. Ona go yuang ko teng.
Ale feel on it.
I think.
Wow, so.
Santa Bagane. Isn't it the substitute za one tsepe? O sa jijimetso we.
Yeah. Ontse mo pass.
Ontse hats.
O bitse mo.
Ha o na le mothuso bus.
O mele sha le go bankeng.
O jijimetso. Until batho ba betha goal. O nyo go actor bya.
Very late.
Ola.
Wa react how
Wetsi player sanda so se tlhalwanye. O botsa management oy. That
badira jwa, yeah.
this football I get tlhalwanye. And then what's no more.
Yeah. Simple. Exactly.
It's simple. Ibyan.
Instead of alu something.
Dabo one daman. Ne. I get show the game ya Chiefs in guy.
Yeah, ne.
I get not matter give me your Chiefs because of I get tlhalwanye ka yena.
Mara, maybe most of the time her team is a sharp. That's where they need you the most. So you must go to Game Chiefs to support them as Sandawan.
Ka supporta.
Yeah.
Maga khados.
Move support.
Ka khados.
I mean lebetile Richards Bay more 4.
Utla sentence.
Ne le mo praise.
Sentence ka khados.
Kera go le babetile ka khadoso. Hona mo. 4 not.
Game la e win ki coach. E win ke player.
So high lose coach.
Ae.
Okay.
It is ke bafana bana.
It is ke
coach.
Kera ka check. Yeah. Coach.
Khadoso.
That's how unfair. That's how unfair you are because of now. When you win, you praise the players. Now you lost, you blame the coach.
Which way?
Yeah.
Which way?
Yeah.
Today game ka tshego. Ne ipona hands na le mo pepenene. Mutuzo bus. O kontle.
Yeah.
Chalilile o kontle. O tsantsa Salamini.
Ke ma Salamini.
Sales. Salamini.
Oh, sales. Mara sales wa le korela Salamini.
No. Okay.
Wa le korela dama.
Ko kae?
Mo loptas mo wa go ra goed.
Themba sona le kae?
O go betsi Themba sona. A bona bana wa itse bafana ba ha.
No ka ba itse.
Last week.
Ukela.
10 minutes.
Yes, wo tsukenya ka nya on fair yona nto ya Themba sona ke.
Yeah.
O betsi mothuso ba so kae? O teng.
Yeah, a ke le ka dlalela le 12.
O tsantsa mothuso bus.
O sa fulela batho ba hao ba nya go utlwela. Yeah.
O tsantsa mothuso bus.
Yeah.
Ne? O tla position ya
Or maybe ke nne so o khono lebella ka. There you are, yeah.
yeah. O tsantsa mothuso bus. O tla position ma ya Themba.
The Themba, yeah.
Ana dala position ya Themba hona malama mokweng.
We are good in
The winner betha China go Orlando because of none milites. We understand?
Yeah, I understand.
So no, what's that? What's that Matthews? Have more as
Let's say it.
as a Mozipus Foundation. League. Matthews were.
What I look, my brother, Tamawi FNB will support the means about talk. Skanga. I want my bagana. What I'll say. How loser so? That's where the team needs you the most. One about winner. The winner is okay. We're gonna celebrate.
Aye,
Hali loser. They need you, those guys. You must go there.
Balabako.
And I got a one da.
Balabako.
Yeah.
Nabi Wheatley.
We.
Also the ski.
Yeah.
Kovaja.
No, nanda se say. Tamara naginya ko wena we FNB will was support that. So that uska sola coach hara. Usti. Santoro umone live because TV wants to say long gore inya ko wena so.
Kadoso
You must go to the stadium.
Kadoso wajis.
Okay, let's hope we're next week utla
Ikovaja because Nabi tabalde.
Thank you, brother. Mara the forum mo.
Yeah.
Nabi ke coach ya mathomo ya win 9 points I coach online.
O sure.
100% sure. Na coach online da man mara.
How wait.
3 wins.
Ngwilika. Moody,
yeah.
Another player. Yeah, Navi.
Serino. Silva. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Make sure that you subscribe. Thank you so much. For your soccer updates and breaking news, please visit www.ngobo2010sharpi.com.